Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the Products plugin of RedmineUP on a Bitnami stack that is installed on the Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to download the very latest version of the Products plugin, which in our case is 2.15, and is downloaded via our license manager. However, if you would like, you could also download the light free version of the Products plugin, which could be found in our site RedmineUP.com. And here, into the plugins section, you have to search for Products. And then click on Download, and then Free. So here you have to enter your email address, and the plugin will be automatically and instantly sent into your email address. Okay, and before start, also one very important thing. For the Products plugin, the CRM or Contacts plugin is also required for Products to be able to run. However, the light free version of the plugin is enough for this purpose. So you could download it into the way that I have showed you earlier. You have to go to Contacts plugin here and then click on Download and then light free. So please install first the Contacts plugin and then the Products, because Products is dependent on the Contacts. Okay, so when you have downloaded your file, then the thing that you have to do is to just extract it and then go to the inner folder. So you have to copy this one, Redmine/Products. Afterward, go to your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 117, and then go to Apps, Redmine, HTDocs, Plugins. So here just paste it. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to go back into your core Redmine folder and then run the Manager Linux run file just with double click. Okay, so into the Manage Servers tab you have to click on Start All and wait for the processes to start. This is our Bitnami stack program and software, and it starts the database and the web server. So we see that they are running now. So this is our Redmine that is now running. We have these plugins installed and we are going to install the Products. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to open your command line and then navigate to your core Redmine folder, and here you have to run the use Redmine file. It is done with /use Redmine. So now we are into Redmine. Okay, so the very first command that we now have to execute is bundle install. Before that you have to navigate to your core Redmine folder and then apps, Redmine, HTDocs. So in this directory you have to execute bundle install. So this command is going to install all the required gems for the Products plugin. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to do the migration. It is done with the following command. Very important here is to set the correct name. In our case it is Redmine/Products. So we wait a little bit for the migration to be done. So it is done, and the very last thing that you have to do is to just go back into your Bitnami stack manager and restart the processes. There is a restart all button. So the database is going to be installed as well as the web server. We have to wait a couple of seconds. Alright, we got our Bitnami stack Redmine now running, so we go back into our browser and just refresh the page here. So we have to wait a little bit here as well, because the restarting is also taking some time. So we see that the products plugin has just come up. So it seems that we have done our job successfully and we have installed the Redmine Products plugin into our Bitnami stack that is installed on Linux operating system. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.